lobster soup. Hi guys, Happy New Year! Y'all are in for a treat because today Siddie's cooking New Year's dinner with her aunt. So stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, so the peas are on. Nice. I'm gonna add the pepper and garlic and a little salt. Most of the meat were already prepped and marinated, so the only meat left was the chicken, and as you can see, I'm getting them cleaned up to marinate as well because we're gonna do fried and barbecue chicken. Alright, so it's 7:25 in the morning and we're setting up everything for the outdoor cooking. We're gonna have a little soup pot over there, so yeah. But before that, I had to get some chores out of the way first. This is our dog. Her name is Sunshine. Alright, so I'm gonna set up the coal fire now. Time for put on the soup and the beef and all of the niceness. Alright guys, so this is my baby cousin, the birthday boy. Today is his birthday. So he's gonna help me.
I am not a baby.
Yes, you're a baby.
I am a little child.
Alright, so the soup pot is on. Now time to add our beef. Oh, the beef was already, curry beef was already pre-seasoned. To all my curry mutton lovers, y'all have to try curry beef. Alright, so the crayfish soup. Put the crayfish shell them in there already, just to kind of flavor the pot. Alright, so I'm gonna have the garlic and some crushed pimento in this. Goes in the pot and let her cook.
Happy New Year. It's the content of the
Alright, take off. say. Nobody could have told me say I saw lobster tail hard for cut. I struggle so tail. Any scissors are not good. Well, finally got them open and I decided I'm gonna do some garlic butter butterfly lobster tails. Now I've never done butterfly lobster, so please don't judge me because we did end up crack one of them too far. Alright, so update. Have the rice and peas, the soup, I have the curry beef ready, and I'll boil some corn and pasta water because we're making pasta as well. Let's make some curry, a joke. But no, for real, my auntie gave me some conch and I was like, I bet. Pineapple glazed pork, fry some fish. It was a long day, but hats off to we because we angled that. The setup was beautiful and the guests loved it. So here's a close-up. Firstly, fried chicken, barbecue baked chicken, curried beef, pineapple pork, garlic butter lobster tails, escovitch fish, curry conch, chicken and tuna pasta, and for sides we had rice and peas, tossed salad with sliced apples and grapes, potato salad, and finally some boiled sweet corn. Your girl was tired. I don't even have a proper ending for this video, but I hope you all still enjoyed it. Bye!